Hi, my name is Marco.
Sandra.
Hi Marco, I'm Beth.
Hi, nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you. Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. So the ignition doesn't work?
Nope.
No.
Okay. Yeah.
I mean, it was a little bit of trouble for a couple weeks, and then today she pulled up just
You
to get
can
something
take
out of the
that
house
back.
and couldn't get it to work again.
All right, here's the ignition. Now I'm gonna go and rebuild it. I'm gonna start by cutting a fresh key by code. Alright, I'm gonna clean it up. Here's the bed wafer right here. So those are the old parts that were replaced. All right, everything is back in place. All right, the key works. Okay, so I made 2 keys for you
Thank you.
and they work great. You want to try it?
No.
All right, thank you.